So today is the 26th of April, and today I'm starting the vlog. I borrowed this GoPro off of my friend Katie so I could give it a go, because I've been making excuses like no camera, except I've got a phone, as I just showed, which has got a perfectly good camera, but that's which is part of my point. And when I got up, I thought, well, I can't really start today because my room is a complete and utter tip, and popular wisdom on YouTube says that, you know, when you're doing this kind of thing, you should make the effort to have a tidy room or make sure your hair's looking all right, which, yeah, that's not too bad. And to be fair, my room's a complete tip because I'm going back to Thailand again soon, and so I'm packing and doing all my washing and getting all of that ready. But the truth is, if I hadn't started, then I would have put it off till tomorrow, and then I would have found a reason tomorrow, like maybe the guys would be here, and so I wouldn't have started then either. And that's the point, is there's always excuses for why not to start, which is why the vlog hasn't started until now, much like many other things. So I'm starting anyway. You see, the thing is, there's always a reason for why you can't start whatever it is you want to start. And actually, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear that, so I'm going to make a coffee first, and then I'll get back to what I was talking about. Okay, so the problem is, if I'd waited until the room was tidy, then I wouldn't have started in the morning like I planned, and something else would have come up with one of the projects, and I would have been working on that, and that's what would have happened. Hold on a second. Okay, that's a little bit better, a little bit more presentable. What was I saying? Yeah, if I wait until the perfect time, then there's always another excuse for why you can't start filming the vlog or making tutorial videos. Yeah, not really tutorials, more like how-tos. All of the things that I've been planning to do, the projects, all of that stuff that I've had going on, all falls foul of I've got an untidy room at the moment. If I'm constantly waiting until that perfect time, then this video would never get made. And the same goes for the comics, the games, and all of those other things that I've been promising myself are going to get done. But as this video shows, hopefully at this point, that's going to be a bit different. So here's the thing. There's always a good reason not to start something. I don't like the way I look today. I don't like my hair. This isn't drawn well enough. I need to rewrite that. I need to do these things. But all popular wisdom says that it's more important to do it than it is to do it perfectly. Because if I wait any longer on this vlog, there's going to be another week gone by as to why I haven't done it. I haven't got the right camera, I haven't got the right microphone. I promised myself that when I got this borrowed this GoPro, that I would definitely start and give this a try. And the same thing with all of my projects. As anybody who knows me knows, if anybody here is here because they already know me, I'm very, very well known for the barrage of ideas that I have and start, you know, but I'm also very well known for the fact that other than my paid work, meeting my deadlines and getting issues out for DC and those various people, that stuff never comes to pass. You see a few sketches and then it goes. Why is that? Well, That's because I wait for that perfect moment. The project isn't right. I don't like the way this is going. That needs rewriting. Oh, these pages are better than those pages. This mechanic doesn't work in the game. Whatever that might be, I always end up redoing and redoing, running low on funds, having to take work. And as soon as you take work, if you work in comics, as anybody knows, if you work in any field, the majority of people are working full-time in any field. And when I'm doing comics, then that consumes all my time. And so those projects have to go on hold. And once they go on hold and you go back to them, you are definitely redoing something that you did previously, because things change and you think that is not as good as this, and then you redo something here, or you have a new idea, or you think that one of your other ideas, your insecurities kick in. You tell yourself that whatever it is that you're doing is just going to be garbage and no one's going to want to buy it. And so when you go back, you think, no, this idea is the one that I'm going to do. And so you start work on it and you think, yes, I'm really proud of this. This is really, really good. And then you start to post it to Facebook and Instagram and all of those places because you're excited, because this drawing's really good and this idea that you've had you think's really good, and you told your friend about it and your friend said that was really good, and then you forget about that thing you was doing a couple of months back, and so you announce it, and then the cycle goes. You start working on it, you start changing this, you think that's better, and there it is, and that's the cycle, right? So that's why messy room, messy hair, starting the vlog today. And the same with these projects, I'm just having to tell myself that I just need to get on with it. So yeah, here's the first episode of the vlog, I guess. We talk about these things about, like I've already mentioned, about having perfect days and the days where you should when's the best time to start and all of those things. And so today was the start of the vlog. I was just about to start editing this vlog and there's no power, and so my machine just shut down halfway through trying to create myself a nice little opening sequence. Okay, so that was meant to be the end of the vlog at that point, but I've just spent the day editing it after the power outage, and the power's now back in. So I've just spent the day editing it, and I noticed that, well, the footage is good from a GoPro. The sound using just its internal mic is actually tricky because every tiny little bump sends audio transference down the stick, on the table, everywhere, and it's loud. It's really, really loud. So I thought I'd give my phone a try alongside with I've got this mic that I bought ages ago so that I could start the vlog that I never started ages ago, and the YouTube channel and all of that. So I'm giving it a try for this final point. So this will be the end of the vlog. The next episode of the vlog will be, of the next episode on the YouTube channel will be about what I plan to do with the YouTube channel. I thought it best to cover that first because anybody who finds themselves here might not care at all what I'm doing with the comics, but might be interested in what I'm doing with the channel. So yeah, I'll cover that, who I am, for those of you who don't know who I am. I'll cover that in that video as well, and I'll talk a bit about what I plan to do with that channel. The episode after that, I'll cover what I'm doing with the comic and what I plan to do with all of that stuff and how it's going to work. The two of these things are supposed to work alongside each other, but not necessarily be exactly the same thing. The YouTube channel should be able to stand on its own regardless of what I do with the comic, although the things that I do for the channel will play a big part in what I'm doing with the comic because of what I'm hoping to do going forward. I'm not sure when that episode will be. Definitely in the next day or two. But the truth is, I started this morning at 8 o'clock and it's now 5:15, and it's taken me the whole day. And I've done nothing on Jules again today. So
I can't spend the whole day doing videos because while the YouTube channel is an important part of it, that's not solely what I'm doing. And so I just can't spend my days just making videos and editing them. I'm sure this will get much quicker. If I can get it down to editing within 2 hours, then I could probably update relatively regularly, as in a few times a week. If not, then it will be a weekly or a video, or maybe 2 a week. But anyway, that's it for today. I have absolutely no idea how to end this. So, as far as today goes, there isn't an outro. I'm just kind of going to end it, I guess, here.